Hello everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. In this video, I'm going to be showing how to make your own healthy ices. I got this Frozip off of Amazon. I would say the cost is about 10 cents per icy. There are 100 of these plastic baggies in the kit, and it comes with this funnel. At the end, I do show how you can use a Ziploc bag to do this, because a Ziploc bag would be, actually it's less expensive. This was $10 a pack, the Frozip. The only thing is, if you use Ziploc bags, you have to make sure they're the real good ones, because you don't want the liquid to leak out of, the Ziploc bag. So I'm sorry I sound labored. I'm on the bike. I'm on my exercise bike, and I figured that this is a good time to upload this video. So I'm going to play some music. Oh, you know what? Before I do that, let me show you what ingredients. Well, you see the ingredients. Let me tell you what I use. Crystal Light, because it has no sugar. I have some monk fruit sweetener and some lemon juice and some water. And so, I made some ices with the juice I make using these ingredients. So I'm going to play some music for the rest of the video. I am going to speed it up just a little bit after this section that I'm showing right here. And then I'm showing how the ices look at the end. Okay, so this is a little, healthy tip, because, I know I like ices, but a lot of the ices on the market have a lot of sugar. So this is a way to just still get the icy and enjoy it, but with less sugar. So I'm not going to be back at the end. So I'm going to say now, thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.